Welcome to Blue Eye Labs, where we take your vision further.
In this video, you'll learn how to install Python on your computer, explore some of the most popular Python development environments, including PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Anaconda with Jupyter Notebook, and Google Colab. Finally, you'll write and run your very first Python program. Let's get started. Before we start coding, we need to install Python. Open your web browser and visit the official Python website at python.org. Click on the Downloads section. The website automatically detects your operating system, whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Download the latest stable version of Python. Once the download is complete, run the installer. For Windows users, this step is extremely important. Before clicking Install Now, make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path. This allows Python to be accessed from the command prompt. Click Install Now and wait for the installation to finish. After installation, open the command prompt or terminal and type python-version or Python 3- version. If you see the installed Python version displayed on the screen, congratulations! Python has been installed successfully. Now that Python is installed, let's look at the different tools you can use to write Python programs. There are many options available, and each has its own strengths. Let's start with PyCharm, one of the most popular IDEs for Python development, created by JetBrains. PyCharm is a powerful and professional development environment that makes writing Python code faster and easier. It comes with intelligent code completion, real-time error highlighting, a built-in debugger, version control support, and project management tools. These features make it an excellent choice for building large applications and professional software projects. If you're just getting started, don't worry. The PyCharm Community Edition is completely free and provides everything you need to begin your Python journey. The second option is Visual Studio Code, or simply VS Code, developed by Microsoft. VS Code is a lightweight yet powerful code editor that's popular among developers around the world. By installing the Python extension, it becomes a complete and efficient environment for Python programming. It offers fast performance, syntax highlighting, an integrated terminal, intelligent code suggestions, and built-in debugging support. One of its biggest advantages is its huge collection of extensions, allowing you to work with almost any programming language. Thanks to its speed, flexibility, and rich features, VS Code has become one of the most widely used code editors today. Next is Anaconda, a popular Python distribution designed especially for data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. One of its biggest advantages is that it comes with hundreds of useful Python libraries already installed, making setup quick and easy. Anaconda also includes Jupyter Notebook, a powerful tool for writing and running Python code. With Jupyter Notebook, you can write your code in small cells and execute them one at a time, making it easy to test and understand your programs. You can even combine Python code with text explanations, images, mathematical equations, and charts, all in a single document. Because of these features, Jupyter Notebook is an excellent choice for learning Python, analyzing data, and conducting research. Another excellent option is Google Colaboratory, or simply Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud-based Python environment provided by Google, allowing you to write and run Python code directly from your web browser. One of its biggest advantages is that there's no installation required. Just sign in with your Google account, open a notebook, and start coding right away. Google Colab also offers free access to powerful GPUs and TPUs, making it a popular choice for machine learning and deep learning projects. And because your notebooks are automatically saved in Google Drive, you can access your work anytime from any device. Now it's time to write your very first Python program. Open any Python IDE of your choice and create a new Python file named hello.py. Next, type the following line of code. Print. Hello world. This is the traditional first program that almost every programmer writes when learning a new programming language. The print function is used to display text or information on the screen. Now save the file. To run the program, click the Run button in your IDE, or open the terminal and type Python hello.py. Press Enter, and you should see the output. Hello world! Congratulations! You've just written and executed your very first Python program. This is the first step in your Python programming journey. In this tutorial, you've learned how to install Python, verify the installation, explore popular Python IDEs, and write your very first Python program. You've taken the first step in your Python programming journey. In the next lesson, we'll learn about Python syntax, variables, data types, and user input. Thanks for watching and happy coding!